In a sunlit pool, a quirky crew attempts a legendary underwater paper airplane race that defies common sense. They fold with practiced precision, testing buoyancy and speed as ripple shadows dance over startled spectators. Every throw becomes a tiny splashy duel where carbon planes battle currents and nerves in equal measure. A slow-motion finish captures the moment a needle wing skims the water surface and earns a cheer. The verdict shows teamwork, clever tweaks, and a reminder that playful challenges can unite strangers into a splash-friendly crew tonight.